Guys, nandito tayo sa Hinulugan Taktak. Aking mga ka-churchmate. We are live in Antipolo. Hinulugan Taktak. Guys, may nalakad dito. Nagawa sila ng daanan. Ayun o. Ano? May harness.
Go ate! Talon! Talon ate!
Hinulugan Taktak. So, meron silang activities na walking.
Go ate!
Na walking.
Cut off na siya talaga. Pagbalik natin at wala na.
So, ang sarap maglakad sa ibabaw ng puno. Bawat station ay may guide. Sa kabilang puno. Ayun o, lakad lang. Okay, guys, ang ganda. Mga ilan din yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meron pa doon.
Mga wall climbing.
Diretso na nakita doon sa...
So, may mga resort. Ang daming tao, guys. Hello. Hinulugan Taktak. Sa mga ka-churchmate ko yung ating natatamaan ng ating... Hello guys, si Kuya John Paruntong. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yung nag-walking sila dyan, oh. Skywalk. Ang maganda rito guys, walang bayad. Walang bayad. So, ayun, yung pool, ayun, oh. Aba. Ayun, oh. Lagyan nila ng bracket ang puno para malakaran, skywalk. Magaling ang nakaisip. Ayun, dito kami. Going down kami, guys. They are walking on the skywalk. That's a bridge. And they tied it with a nylon. Pagkadating mo sa station na yan, black na, bakal na. Ayun o, picturean ka, ang galing o. Wow! Ang ganda o. Kaway, love, kaway. Hello! My churchmate yan, na one band kami going down. We went from Baguio going down to Los Baños, Laguna, and this place is beautiful. Wow naman, ang galing. Bus na tubig, love. They have a wall climbing here. And the sound of the Hinulugan Taktak is become louder and louder. They have shades like that. You can stay with your family and eat your swimming pool and eat your food. Wow, this is for free. And then they have people like that. There are many. This is underneath. Wow. That is Hinulugan Taktak. Wow, we are approaching the falls. This is very nice place, guys. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, si Kuya John Paruntong. Dito tayo sa Hinulugan Taktak. Wow, very nice. They have elevator there. If you don't want to walk going up the stairs, you can ride on the elevator. Wow, galing.
Sandali, magpupolvo lang ako ng minute.
Ah, water. I'm showering over here, huh? Oh, there is an elevator. Elevator going up. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, fish. There is a fish swimming over there. Wow, very nature. Oh, ang galing. Wow naman. Wow. Hello, 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 hello. There is a fish over there. And there is a bridge going to that side also, to the picnic ground. Wow guys, this is a free entrance park, public park. Wow. Okay. God bless, God bless. Okay. Hello guys. We are live in Tagaytay. We are live in Antipolo, correction. This is Hinulugan Taktak. Okay, walking. Many people, they have elevator there, huh? And the wall climbing and the elevator. So, this is a beautiful park here in Antipolo. You know guys, it's free of entrance. Some fish are over there, oh. They have a fishman. Very nature, huh? If you want to visit this place, it is for free. So, wow. Somebody are cleaning the canal. They have a fish there, oh. Fish, oh. So they are cleaning the place. Wow. That's Hinulugan Taktak. See the beauty of Antipolo. This is Hinulugan Taktak. So we are going there. Okay, guys. Hello, abroad fields. Okay. Okay guys, this is Hinulugan Taktak. There is a swimming pool over there, but we do not go there already. We're going up. Okay. Kahit saan po pwede. Kahit saan. Ano? Skywalk, oh. Ang ganda. Tayo dito. This is skywalk. Nylon and wood yung hahawak.
natin sa kanya.
Cut off na.
Walang bahala dito ng pakato.
Oh, ang ganda. Diyan kayo ikot oh. Canopy walk.
Yan.
So this is a spider web.
Hey!
Ang ganda dito guys. Oh. Spider's web. Siya inalakad. Ano? Ito yung elevator kanina. Wala na palang tao. So this is the Nulugang Taktak. Guys, ang ganda. Oh. Waterfall. Salsa! Doon kami nang galing guys. Oh. The mountains, so they will be the building here to the Hinulugan Taktak. So this falls. Water going down to this place. And I'm here in the overlooking. You can see some parts of the beautiful here. Oh. They want to ride the elevator, but the elevator is closed already. This is the elevator, and these are the people who wants to go inside the spider's web. They have a safety ride. Yung meron silang vest. Ayan. Oh, nylon pala yan. Kaya ang ganda. Ang galing oh. Ano mga guide sa Hinulugan Taktak. Okay. Pera na po. Okay. Yan ang last nila dito. Papuntang Spider's Web. Kaya ako ikaw ay mag-selfie-selfie din. Ikaw din ay makakasakay. Parking around the side. That is Hinulugang Taktak. Hinulugang Taktak. So guys, that is Hinulugan Taktak. That is the falls. And that is the spider's web. Walking. Okay. Many people, many. Ayun, no. Ang ganda dito ng ginawa nila. People are everywhere.